called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So,
Bob their head.
yeah, they bumped their head. So 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. 1, 2, 3. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed, and one fell off and bumped his head. And what happened? Mama called the doctor. Doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. And she fell off and she bumped her head. Where are you going? Okay, but let's finish this one. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Right? And so 5 little monkeys, they fell fast asleep. Like what?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Yeah, 5 monkeys. They all hurt their heads.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, they all have bandages on their head because they hurt their heads. And then they fell asleep. "Thank goodness," said the mama. "Now I can go to bed. Look, the mama's jumping on the bed." Silly mama.
Kitty mama. Kitty mama.
Whoa.
Kitty mama.
Whoa. Okay, you want to read about the puppies?
The puppy.